How to order items on SHEIN app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application SHEIN. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. It will land you on the homepage of SHEIN. In this page, you will be able to see different items. From here, you can select the items that you prefer. If not, you can also search for the specific item that you want to order. Let's say I want to order this dress. Tap on it. Once again, tap on the item that you prefer. Tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. Select the size and the type of this dress, and once again tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. Once you have added to cart, tap on the Start icon at the top. It will show you all the items that you have added to cart. You can also unselect the item that you don't want to buy. Once you are done, tap on Checkout at the bottom right corner. It will land you on this interface. You will need to enter all of the details of your shipping address. And once you have entered your specific address, it will land you on this page. Over here, you need to select your payment method and enter all of the details of your card. You can also select the shipping method, standard shipping and express shipping. Select whichever method that you prefer. You can also enter the coupon code if you have. Once it is done, you need to tap on confirm. Then your order will be successfully placed. And within some time, you will definitely receive your order and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can order items on SHEIN. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.